Jeff Hayes and his partner Dr. Patrick Gentempo announced their new docu-series, Money Revealed 2020. A series of interviews with some of the world's top money experts and business leaders. With these interviews, they aim to help high-income earners who are tired of being taxed to death, middle class who want to become wealthy, poor people who want to break the chains of poverty, anyone who wants to create generational wealth. The free viewing period begins on October 27, 2020, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can watch all the episodes from the comfort of your home or office, and there are no restrictions or limits. Here are some of the names being interviewed: Robert Kiyosaki, Edward Griffin, Ray Blanco, Paul Zane Pilzer, Andy Tanner, Ron Phillips, Douglas Andrew, John Carter, Joel Baumgar, Ann Wilson, Erico Rocha. But I won't reveal more information about it. Besides, it's free and I'd like you to see for yourself. To gain access, register with the link in the description and begin to learn how successful people in business can rake in millions of dollars each year by making straightforward investment decisions. See you on the inside.